Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
For years, Samsung Galaxy Watch users on Apple iPhones dreamed of true compatibility. The wait is finally over with the groundbreaking 2025 software update. This new era bridges the gap, allowing your Samsung Watch to seamlessly connect and function with your Apple iPhone. Get ready to experience the best of both worlds, integrating your preferred wearable directly into your iOS ecosystem. It's a game changer for countless tech enthusiasts. Before diving into the pairing, let's gather your essential tools. First, head over to the Apple App Store and download the new Galaxy Wearable for iOS application. This dedicated app is crucial for establishing and managing the connection. Next, verify that both your iPhone and your Samsung Galaxy Watch are running their most recent 2025 software updates. Finally, confirm your iPhone's Bluetooth is active and ready. These preparations ensure a smooth setup experience. With your devices ready, let's start the pairing process. Begin by opening the new Galaxy Wearable for iOS app on your iPhone. Inside the app, you will find an option to Start New Device. Tap that to initiate the search. At the same time, ensure your Samsung Galaxy Watch is powered on and within close proximity. Your iPhone will then automatically scan for available watches, displaying a list from which you should select your specific model. This gets the connection off the ground smoothly. Once your watch is selected, a crucial security step appears. You will see a unique 6-digit verification code displayed simultaneously on both your iPhone screen and your Samsung Watch. It is vital to confirm that these two codes match exactly before proceeding. Once verified, simply tap Confirm on your iPhone. The Galaxy Wearable app will then guide you through a few final on-screen prompts, allowing you to finalize settings and complete the secure pairing process quickly and efficiently. Congratulations, your Samsung Galaxy Watch is now fully connected to your Apple iPhone. You can now receive notifications, manage calls, and seamlessly track all your fitness data directly through your iOS device. Utilize the Galaxy Wearable app to personalize watch faces, manage applications, and fine-tune various settings to suit your preferences perfectly. Should you encounter any minor connectivity issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and watch often resolves the problem, ensuring a smooth, integrated experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.